What is a variable in coding? My name is Stefanos Anias, and here's an easy way to understand variables. They are kind of like boxes, but very special boxes that have three key characteristics: a name, a value, and a type. The name is like a unique identifier of the box. You cannot have the same name for different boxes, and you cannot write it on the side of the box. For example, here this box has box number written on the side to kind of indicate here's where I'm storing my box number. The number I'm storing inside of the box, which is also known as the value, which is the data that the variable holds. For example, let's say in this box specifically, I decided to store a 4. So 4 would be the value. Because 4 is the value, the type of data that the variable holds in this example, which is a whole number without any decimal, will be integer. Because this is a 4, doesn't have any decimals, it's not a fraction, it's just a 4. Now, there are several ways that we can use variables. We can declare variables, we can initialize variables, and we can manipulate variables. Declaration is to specify names and attributes. In Python, it is mainly about just specifying the name, because the attributes come more from initializing it than from declaring it. With initializing being assigning a value to a variable. Again, in this example, the value that we're initializing the variable with is 4. And then finally, there's manipulation, which is to change the variable's value. For example, here I am subtracting 3 to the number inside of the variable box number, and so now inside of the box number I have a 1 instead of a 4. In conclusion, understanding variables is crucial in programming as they enable dynamic and flexible code. So whether you're starting out or enhancing your coding skills, mastering variables is essential. Happy coding!